We did it.
They eat those green things.
They do?
Yeah. Where should we go?
Just to the side of it so it doesn't kick you. You could be, this is fine. Doesn't have to be that far. Little one. Yeah. Hey little guy. Hey little guy. Alright, so it is about 8:30 in the AM and we left at 3:30, baby?
Yeah,
about 3:30. Was fairly moderate coming up here to this cross. This is kind of like the location where we decided to stop because we remember this cross coming down. And pretty much everything after here is gonna get a lot steeper and more difficult. So this is kind of like the, I guess, refueling station here. I think it's just gonna be about this sort of a slope, sort of a grade, until it gets to a certain point, and then it just becomes ridiculously steep. And at that point, then I will drink a lot of my water, empty all of it, and just keep 1 liter. Babe, do you prefer the rain or do you prefer the heat? What do you prefer?
I prefer the rain for sure.
You prefer the rain?
Yeah, walking up the hill.
I want to say I
kind of just drink the rain.
don't know, I don't like this kind of feeling, but everybody's different.
You like the heat more?
Yeah, I do.
But then you'll be like thirsty in like 20 minutes.
But then you drink water and then you lose more weight. This is, you don't drink as much water and you gain weight because your pack is wet. Anything you want to recommend for the viewers?
I recommend to just tough it out.
To tough it out?
Yep. Fuel up with the goo and you'll be good in 5 minutes.
Yeah, I had some coffee about halfway through and that woke me up real good. That woke me up real good and that got me going. So
Look, did I like...
if you're not really a coffee drinker or you don't drink caffeine, then this is the time to do it because it'll really actually work. It'll work really well and it'll help you get up. I think I see a helicopter over there. So it's what, 8:30? That's the first helicopter. If you have a sensitive stomach, bring some teepee. I recommend it. Good morning. Good morning. The best mile. Good morning. Oh, there it is. Oh my God. One last hill. Bless you. Woo! Woo! You did it. Oh my God, babe. We did it. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. That's the best view right there.